An essay on Cyclone. A cyclone is a large, powerful storm. They form over warm ocean waters where the heat and moisture provide the energy needed for their development. The center of a cyclone is called the eye, which is calm with light winds. Around the eye is the eye wall, where the winds are strongest. They can destroy buildings, uproot trees, and damage crops. Cyclones are known by different names around the world, such as hurricanes, typhoons, cyclonic storm, etc. Scientists use advanced technology like satellites and weather radars to track and predict cyclone paths. The Saffir-Simpson scale measures the intensity of a cyclone from Category 1, minimal damage, to Category 5, catastrophic damage. Climate change is believed to influence the frequency and severity of cyclones, with warmer oceans potentially leading to more intense storms. In addition to immediate damage, they can also have long term effects on ecosystems, agriculture, and water sources. Governments and international organizations work together to improve cyclone preparedness and response strategies.